is starting right now.
Good morning. So I'm getting ready to leave. It's now 10:35. I need to get to work by 11, which I'm on time. I hope today's not a busy day because I actually feel like I want to be productive. So hopefully nobody comes today. So I'm taking you guys along with me. Alright, so let's go. I have my iPad, my book, I packed my lunch, AirPods, sunscreen lotion. I need to take off my snack and my water bottle, glasses, and that's about it. Oh, my fan. I keep forgetting to pack my fan, so room kind of chaka, but that's fine. But yeah, let's go to work. I had to turn back for my sweater because I checked the weather before I left it and it was saying 20 degrees. This does not feel like 20 degrees. But yeah, I turned back for my sweater. Leaving now.
Got me all up in my feels, in all kind of ways. I be trying to play, but lately I just wanna keep it real. No more playing safe, let's take it all the way. I'm just saying, I just wanna make time for you. Swear it's just right for you, like this pussy designed for you. 10 out of 5 on you. No,
I really hope nobody comes today. It's cold. It's not sunny. It's not gonna rain, but at the same time, it's cold and it's not sunny. Hope nobody comes. I just want a peaceful day. I just want a peaceful day just to enjoy nature. I have to test the water every hour. Testing for chlorine and pH. The pH should be low. I'm expecting it to be low. I need to add some of the thing for it to go up. I don't even know what it's called. There's no some need to add it so they can go up or down. See, the pH is low and the chlorine is high. So the chlorine is fine, but the pH, I need to fix that. I also need to check the skimmers, so I'm gonna do that right now.
Wait on it tonight, I wanna get nasty. Wait for. Wait on it tonight, I wanna get nasty.
Being a lifeguard is not hard at all. It's not hard. The hardest part of lifeguarding would probably be the CPR, which just pray say you never have to do that. The hardest part of lifeguard is the CPR, the training, and vacuuming. That's the hardest part. And vacuuming is not hard either. It's just annoying. Yeah. I've never had to do CPR. I had to save somebody a couple weeks ago. That was kind of traumatic. From there, is that a dead rat? Yes. Is it dead? I can't tell if it's dead or not. Is it dead? It better be dead. I'm going to go check them out. Chatty one was the frog alive? After we take it out of the water, we run your freight. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is not funny. Guys, afraid of dead animals, don't take this damn job. Because why did I think it was dead and it was resurrecting? No, it's dead again. Hello. Don't piss me off. Well, the skimmers are clean. I gotta relax yourself now. That was a lot. Like, it's the end of the day. I didn't do anything. Nobody came to the pool. Read my book a little bit. No, me, I just pack up to go home. Didn't do much. As I said, lifeguard is a pretty chill job. But if you're scared of dead animals, then this job is not for you. Plain and simple. Anybody can do the job, yeah. I'm just gonna pack up to go home now. Should I take you guys with me tomorrow? If I take you with me, then you'll see this. Then you'll see. But if I don't, I just don't. Chat. I got the DJI mic mini with the receiver and 2 mics. It should be a couple minutes to 7. I normally leave at 6:45. The pool closes at 7. I don't get paid past 7 o'clock, so I try my best to be out of here by 7 or at least 5 minutes before 7. So it's 6:46, so I need to pack the hell up and go. I'll talk to you guys when I'm home. Good morning. It is currently 7:48 in the morning and I'm going to cook dinner. Well, not dinner, lunch. I was too lazy to do it yesterday, so I'm doing it today in the morning. Plus, my other housemates were in the kitchen, so I really didn't have room for myself to cook. So I'm gonna do that right now as well as breakfast. So I wanted this to be like a daily vlog, but it's the next day. So this is gonna be a week in the life. Let's get started. So the baked chicken never work out. I ended up having to cook it now in some sauce, and I just remember that I don't have anything to eat the chicken with, so I just put on some rice. I think it's about 9:40 now. I need to get ready. My supervisor got me cappuccino because we were both up early. And he asked me if I want cappuccino. I was like, sure. And he brought me back cappuccino. So yeah, my supervisor is also my housemate. So, and he got me cappuccino. Anyways, leave hurry up, Uncle Bean. The chicken is done. I need to wash up the dishes and go get ready. I just got some mail and some packages, so I want to unbox it for you guys. I got my Cash App card, I got PR. Those are the two main things that I wanted to unbox. I got some other stuff. Oh, I got a coupon from Neutrogena because I made a video about one of their products and they told me to DM them and they sent me a coupon, which is not much, but it's just $10 off, but I still appreciate it.
Promise someone gave it to you like you never had it. I do it so good, it's gonna be hard to break the habit. Feel like a whole constellation, swimming like you on vacation. Promise I'm still gonna love you when you wake up in the AM. I just wanna make time for you, swear it's just right for you. Like it's supposed to design for you. 10 out of 5 on you, know I was turn on the line for you. Bet I look nice when you open my mind for you. So I know wait on it tonight, I wanna get nasty.
So I'm drinking this smoothie that I made a couple days ago because my strawberries and raspberries were going bad. But I'm leaving for work shortly. It's about 10:30 now, and I normally try to leave by 10:45 because it takes me roughly 10 to 12 minutes to get to work. There's a video of me making this on TikTok. I need to post it on YouTube Shorts. Anyways, I'm gonna leave for work shortly. Later, I'm going to go to the plaza to return the lockout key because I don't need it anymore, and to buy a journal. Hopefully the pool is not busy today. I'm expecting a few people to come today because it is sunny. All the food that I meal prepped for lunch is supposed to last me until Sunday, today or Wednesday. But I need to bring a snack. I thought some those are in Walmart. Definitely bring that. And I want to bring. I got some mail, but when I come back from work, I'll do a little unboxing. Have my water for the day, my water tumbler. I'll talk to you guys later. I don't think I'll be vlogging during the day, so I'll talk to you guys later. Trying to figure out what I should call my audience. I'm gonna call you guys butterflies. That literally just popped into my head because I revamped my banner yesterday and I put butterflies on it, and I've always wanted to know what I should call my YouTube audience or my audience in general. I don't like lovelies, it doesn't roll off the tongue. Angels, I have a creator mutual on TikTok and he calls his audience angels. I didn't want to do that, and I have never heard anybody else call their audience butterflies, and I'm gonna call you guys butterflies. I don't know, let me know what you guys think, but I like it. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later, my butterflies. Hey guys, I just made it home. I'm so tired. I was supposed to go to the Dollar Tree that's at the plaza a couple minutes away, But I'm so tired. I'm gonna tell you something. I'm tired. The pool that I work at, my primary pool, opens from 11 to 7 p.m. Right? I got to work at 10:53. People started coming to the pool at 11:04. I had people at the pool from 11:04 go straight back to 7 o'clock. Literally, guests were closing the pool with me. I had to ask her to leave because it was 7 o'clock. I'm tired. But nevertheless, let's do this unboxing and then we're gonna take a shower. Alright, so let's start off small. I opened this, hide the address. I opened this morning. I was so confused as to what it was because it says Consumer Care Center. And then I opened it. It's a coupon from Nutrition. I can't show you the back, but they sent me a save $10 on any Neutrogena product. They told me that they were gonna send me a coupon. They didn't tell me how much the coupon would be, but I appreciate it. Thank you, Neutrogena. They sent it to me after they saw my video on their sunscreen. Because let me show you. This is their new Ultra Sheer Invisible Gel Face Sunscreen. They dropped it this year for this summer. I have last year's sunscreen that they released, but this one is actually really good. It's completely invisible. No white cast. It's a gel texture. The only downside is that it's kind of greasy. That's the only downside. Next is this package from Caracol. I don't even pronounce it right. But it's from this brand. Wait, so open it. So this is the cleansing oil, their Heart Leaf Calming Pore Clearing Cleansing Oil. I have used Heart Leaf BHA before from Anoa. Didn't really do great for my skin in the long term. I started getting burns behind my nose. This is it. This is the cleansing oil. I don't really have anything bad to say about cleansing oils because when you need to take off makeup, I feel like cleansing oils are good for removing makeup. This is claiming to clear, smooth, balance, revive, hydrate, and care. Made in Korea. Let me tell you something. The Korean, they know what they're doing. If you do proper research, you have glass skin with Korean skincare. Oh, they also sent me this, which isn't me these two things. I guess this is for their, and there's a barcode at the back. Not barcode, a QR code at the back. One for US and one for Korea. So do your research, guys. Try to figure out what type of skin you have. Look at that. My Cash App card. Ooh, I didn't know that Cash App was powered by Visa. Ooh, look at that. So cute. Backstory. I've had a Cash App account from last year and I noticed that a pink card. They had this pink card. This was new on the app. They had a pink card, but it was for $25 to get the pink card. I was like, hell no. I'm not paying $25 to get a card. Are you crazy? Are you mad? They had other options, of course. They had the black and the white one for free, but black and white is so plain. Why would I get black and white? That does not suit my personality. You know what I'm saying? When I went on the app last week or the week before, I saw that the pink one was free. I am not leaving here without getting my Cash App card this trip. So I did a little cute design and I absolutely love it. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, it's cute. I didn't know that they gave you, I didn't even know that they were powered by Visa. So you have a CVV date and you call the card number. I didn't know I was gonna get all of that, to be very honest with you. But it's so cute. I love it. Look at it. Also, I feel like I'm gonna start using my Cash App card for purchases because one of my friends back home at work and travel, he told me that last year he used his Cash App card and he got cash back and he made a few purchases for free. I don't know how true that is, but I'm trying to hop on that. I need to stop using my main bank accounts for purchases because I don't want to get scammed. I need to get a credit card, but I'm too broke to own a credit card right now. I feel like if you have credit card when you have money so you can pay it off, but unemployed, I don't need to get one credit card. I'm basically unemployed. But look at the cash, look at it. It's so cute and pink and girly. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna close out this vlog. Thank you, my butterflies, so very much for watching. If you're new, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay cutesy, and most of all, stay gorgeous. Bye.
I be trying to play, but lately I just wanna keep it real. No more playing safe, let's take it all the way. I'm the saying I just wanna make time for you. Swear it's just right for you, like this pussy designed for you.